Welcome back to Autoscope. High-tech mobile headquarters, McLaren Motorhome, 2026. Exterior design, aerodynamic profile. The exterior of the motorhome has a sleek, aerodynamic profile that is modeled from the design of McLaren race cars. Examples of lightweight composite materials used in construction to give structural strength without adding excessive weight are carbon fiber and aluminum of aerospace grade. Adaptive lighting. The adaptive matrix LED lights on the front and side are capable of more than just lighting. Interior design, modular and multifunctional. Ergonomic seats, comfortable, movable seats for engineers, strategists, and team managers. Holographic screen wall. The front wall can be transformed into a 3D holographic projection screen for visually stimulating presentations or immersive data analysis to ensure data privacy and smooth collaboration. The encrypted communication system incorporates 5 and encrypted satellite communication services. Luxurious lounge. This area will be used as a gathering place for VIP guests, sponsors, and members of the media. There will be nice couches and seats, modern tables, and warm lighting. The inside will have high-end materials including leather, veneer wood, and modern composite surfaces. Bar and catering. The well-equipped bar area and a competent kitchen will provide delicious meals and beverages all day long. Excellent connectivity, thanks to fast Wi-Fi, reliable satellite connections, and a state-of-the-art internal communication system. Teams will always be in touch with the race and headquarters. Centralized control system. An intelligent management system will centrally control the security, audio-visual, lighting, and temperature via tablet or touchpad. In keeping with Formula One's commitment to sustainability, the 2026 motorhomes will have energy-saving technologies such as solar panels where practical, efficient HVAC heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems, and careful water consumption. Waste management methods will also be enhanced.